Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to remove screen lock password on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to security and location. In security and location, go to device security section. And here, okay, you can see the screen lock. And the screen lock is set into password. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the screen lock password on your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the screen lock. And now, enter your password. After you enter your password, okay, tap the arrow on the lower right side on your keyboard. And now you can choose the screen lock into none to remove the screen lock password, okay? The pop-up are show, and now remove device protection. Device protection features will not work without your password, okay? Tap the yes remove button. And that's it, okay? We have successfully removed the screen lock password on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.